So what I'm going to do now that I have I've taken these vacuum lines off the vehicle, and as I showed before, I've cut the ferrule off one end, which was with the damaged hose, and I'm going to put a new vacuum hose on it, which I bought. Now this is not there is a nylon. The OEM ones are nylon reinforced. They have these fibers in there, but this one it doesn't. I'm going to hope that that will be okay. It does. It is supposed to be for high temperatures and all that, so it's should be all good. But I'm going to save the OEM hose for one end. I'm going to reinstall the OEM hose because it seems to be in very good condition anyway. On one end I need only a little bit, so only about this much maybe. So I'm going to cut it here, install an vertical clamp here, and then install this whole thing onto the block, onto the engine, and then connect up the free ends to the wastegate. That's the plan. So let's see here. So I'm going to put the OEM hose back on one side, thus put the clamp on there, and that is actually the right length because I took it off from there. And oddly enough, there was no ferrule on this side. I don't actually know how that happened. And I'm going to install an vertical clamp here.